What did you just sign there? Like the waiver of like...
Yeah, we signed Kev's life over.
I don't trust you on this street. What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. My girlfriend Joanna went crazy buying parts for her car, and today I'm gonna show you guys what she actually got for her car. So she's got a lot of stuff. We're gonna put it all together because we're getting her car ready to go to fabrication. So waiting for her to come home and I'll get to show you guys everything. Parts this girl got here.
My car never had one, so I always bought the wheel.
Crazy.
I never had a limited significant, a lot better, and overall my time should improve with just this.
Check out the mess this young lady has.
Yo, I'm getting big. Step class again.
There we have Turboski.
Hey, yours looks so much crisper than mine.
Crisper. Different camera. You ready to clean up? I haven't even seen the manifold yet. They shot us a saying. They sent us a lot of stuff. We just got unboxing, but when you make a video, things get pretty messy. We gotta hang this up in our garage. You see we have banners lined up here. That's pretty nice. The thing's bigger than you.
Got the Saints gear.
She got what? Is it 1,000 horsepower rods? I don't know the model number exactly. Don't squeeze it that hard. Let go. He doesn't want to let go of the banner.
Arthur fist.
Arthur. If you didn't know, I run Saints Performance on my car. Glad to have Joanna on it, but she's on the whole 1,000 horsepower rods. I don't need that because I'm a motor, but I'm running their S series. This video will be going on her channel. She's posting it all. I'm just giving you a background on all this. Why did you spend all the house money on car parts?
Because I want to live in my car.
Alright, so it's time to get ready. I gotta go to get my INTEGRA aligned. I just did the camera kit and maybe do a few other things too. So let's go. Gonna grab some camera gear, some lenses. Getting a quick alignment. Check out this massive toolbox. It's by Snap-on. Look at this thing. It's legit a showroom. Has a TV, full sound system, a fan, subwoofer, and a cover. Nah, this thing is no joke. This thing is huge. I mean, the camera's wide angle right now, so you really can't tell how big it is, but this is my height right here, so you can see how much higher it is. They got a release lever. This thing is massive.
But I didn't lose. Listen, I'm gonna play the cheap today. That's okay.
How neat this stuff is. Oh, this is the big boy toys. Insane, look at this. This is a sliding drawer. Everything battery powered, look at this. This guy got everything you need. Gonna go over the car real quick, make sure everything's good before we make another hit. The leak down test, everything, make sure it's all good.
1%. Keeping track how many miles you got on it?
200, not even 200. About 3 oil changes. Okay.
100 psi. So what this does is you put 100%, 100 pounds of pressure into it, and that'll tell you the percentage of that pressure that's leaking out. On regular factory cars, you know, from 10 to like 20% is like, normal for like factory 100,000 mile car. You know what I'm saying? One. But if one is like 50%,
that's when you can tell.
And the other one is 10, something's wrong with it. 1%.
You get brakes on. Making sure alignment's perfectly straight. I'm in the car most of the time, so we want to make sure when the slicks are on, everything is good. Having me here because the seat's not going to be in here when I race, and I want to get rid of this seat, but that doesn't matter. We're just trying to get the alignment as center as possible with me in it.
You got AC? You got AC, power steering?
No AC, no power steering, nothing.
Horsepower, that's what it's got.
Like I told him, it's a race car. On my face, sitting in my race car as he's aligning it. I got a CRX that's from up north. I gotta put a new tank in it. The rust got the seam of the tank, so once it goes over half a tank, it starts leaking down the side. I'm driving it at all, so I'm gonna drop the tank, put a new tank in it, and then I'm gonna throw a I'll throw the B20 bottom in it, and then put the Type R head on it, so the B17 C1 or whatever.
Let's go for a ride. See what's good.
I don't trust you, bro. I don't trust you on this street. And now that it actually has a trans, oh my god.
You could get a... like
Who sells that one? Advanced Auto, bro. Bearing off too, so it's a lot harder.
Yeah, the pedal, I can feel it.
But it's natural. We're actually gonna get them. the fifth, bro.
This right hand drive stuff's not so bad.
Why is it always busy here, bro? Busy area. Oh, you should just go that way, to the left. Fourth and fifth, bro.
This right hand drive stuff's not so bad.
So what did you just sign there? Like the waiver of like...
Yeah, we signed Kev's life over.